it's a clue.
Oh, okay. Well, you had it out, like, at what's house? The Red Roof Mansion or whatever.
Redwood Terrace? Red Roof Mansion?
Yeah. Whatever it's called.
The lotion's really good.
I gotta get rid of this.
You need some?
No, I mean, I need to get it tomorrow. I'll get it tonight, I think.
Heck yeah, I'm happy I found those. Darn it. I don't know if I thought for sure it'd be in here. That's fine. I got these in the mail finally. And they're like, it's gonna help me like not walk with a limp. Or like
I really hope that
these
works.
like attached to them. They give me, and I have tons of them. And just add as much height as I need. And how much were these, David? Like $12?
$12, yeah. 12, 13, something like
I
that.
wish I would have known that.
Yeah. I do. Can I do something? Oh, call the